Hello friends, this is Harnath from LawX IAS. I think all of you are well preparing for your prelims, and due to COVID effect, the prelims was postponed from May 31st to October 4th. So I think it's a golden opportunity for you to prepare well. Most of the candidates has requested us, as there is much time, they wanted to devote some time for optionals also in this period. So our Law Excellence is going to start a rapid revision course for optionals also. This is a first of this kind, and we think that this will help you very much. So whatever time available for you, that you can devote minimum 1.5 months to 2 months for preparation of optionals also, of course, without leaving prelims completely. Okay. Then coming to optional mathematics, as the subject is very vast, you feel, and it is already completed by you once. So the revision, rapid revision of this course will help you to prepare well. A brush up will be done in this course. We are proposing to start this course by 15th June, and it will be continued up to 3rd August. So daily the session will be for 2 hours. So in these sessions, what we do is, we will discuss the fundamentals which are more necessary for the completion of your subject, for solving problems and all. That will be thoroughly discussed, so that you will be very happy, you will be very comfortable to prepare the subject. Of course, that lengthy theorem proofs, all these things cannot be discussed in this short period, but we can tell you how to prepare, how to solve the problems. So the process of solution of problems, the process of proving the theorems in theoretical mathematics, all these things will be discussed very thoroughly, so that it will be very helpful for you to prepare for the optional exam, optional subject. So the schedule will be given to you immediately, so that you will know on which day which subject will be discussed. So what you have to do while attending this course is, first of all, whatever class you are going to attend, that subject once you have to refine yourself. So once you refer it, then you can easily follow it during the session. At the same time, after completion of the session, it is better to prepare the concerned subject on the same day, so that the rapport will be continued, and you will feel very comfortable, and you will come to know what are the lacuna in that, and where you are lacking. At the same time, whatever topic you are feeling discomfortable, all these things you can know by yourself. So that is the basic idea of this course. The main thing is, this course will not be useful for the persons who have not already prepared. At least once you might have attended the class, attended the complete course, then it will be more useful. If you are fresh for the mathematics optional, then we do not suggest this course. And during this time, during this course, whatever doubts that come to your mind, whatever problems you are not solvable, I think that we cannot discuss immediately because of shortage of time. So what you have to do is, you can mail them, whatever problems are there, you can give a mail, then you will get the solutions, and whenever if it is necessary, we may allot some time to clarify those doubts separately, either individually or group wise, depending on the necessity. That also we are assuring you. So, in all aspects we discuss the subject so that you can prepare, you can complete the subject very comfortably, and you will have the confidence of answering it in the optionals. That is the main aim of this course. Then coming to the schedule, from 15th June onwards up to 3rd August, daily 2 hours, and normally on an average every topic, you are having 13 topics. In those 13 topics, every topic will get minimum 2 to 4 days, depending on the priority of the topic in the subject and matter of the subject also. And this is not a rigid one. If necessary, we can relax somewhere, so that less priority may be given to the subjects which we are very easily understood. Where you are discomfortable, then a day may be increased for that also. That also we will take care of. So, this course, if you utilize it, I think you can prepare well in your main exams for the optional maths. So, what you have to do is, don't neglect your prelims. Prelims also simultaneously you prepare well. At the same time, you dedicate some time for optionals also, as you are having ample of time in this season. So, whatever theoretical subjects like real analysis, linear algebra, modern algebra, all those things, these subjects, the definitions part will be taken care very thoroughly. Why? Because that is more necessary for the preparation of your problems, for solution of your theorems, proving your theorems also. So, very important theorems, very frequently asked theorems may be discussed in the session, but other theorems, how to prove it only we will discuss, not the exact proof, as due to the short of the time. So, this will be helpful to you as an ignition. So, this course will act as a catalyst for your entire preparation. So, I hope when you are willing to prepare very well for the optional mathematics, then this course will definitely help you. And I hope that you will take this session for comfortable preparation of your optional mathematics. So, this course definitely will increase our confidence, and it will increase our comfort in preparation of this optional mathematics. So, without any doubt, with the confidence, you may join this course and you may take the benefit of it. So, be confident and ready to work hard. So, at the same time, stay home, stay safe, and allocate your entire time for preparation. I wish you all the best. So, let us meet in the online session. All these sessions will be online only. So, we will be discussing face to face online, and whatever doubts are there, you can mail me. My mail ID will be scrolling here. So, whatever mails I receive, immediately I will respond to them, so that I will clarify your doubts also. And finally, this course will be evaluated also by conducting 5 weekly tests and 4 grand tests, so that how best it is useful to you, it has become useful to you also will be evaluated, and you will come to know at what level your preparation is there and how to prepare further, that you will come to know. So, in all these aspects, this course will be definitely beneficial to you. So, I wish you all the best. Thank you.